Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want to talk about my beautiful state, Edo State, what they go on for there right now. They go viral now for social media, the killing for Edo State. Now I want to talk about, I really they feel bad. They feel pain inside. I don't know when this killing won't really stop for Edo State. I really don't know. My brothers for Edo State, I beg you, my Edo brothers, I beg you, in the name of the ancestors of our land, the killings don't do. I beg you, make we stop this killing. I beg you all. I beg you to please understand and see from my own point of view. I respect everybody. I respect anything where anybody belong to. Everybody know waiting reason why he join anything where he join. But I beg you to stop killing your own brother. Stop killing our children. Stop killing your own blood. I beg you, my Edo brothers and sisters. I just see one video, one picture for social media where they kill one of my brother, cultist, kill one of my brother, and I don't know when this thing won't stop. Since when I small, when I start today, see this killing for Edo States, and this thing not be waiting children supposed they see, not be waiting children supposed to grow up with. Children, they are too innocent to pollute their mind with killing. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, make we beg this thing not be too rampant. Why you not feel be changed for your own little way? Why you not feel just say stop this killing? Why you not feel just end this killing? Why you not feel be the hero where people would talk about from generation to generation, say now you next put this stop to this killing for Edo State? My brothers, I want to beg una, make una beg. Wetin make me come up with this video? Wetin make me come up with this topic? Wetin make me want to talk about this thing and one audio when the release for social media, where one of my brother come dey talk say some cultists, Eye boys come kill people, come rob them. They say they hide for toilets. I no fit imagine the tension wey come dey their mind. I beg you, my brothers, make we beg, make we stop this thing. Before I go continue, my brothers and sisters, make I put the audio, make una listen to the voice of the record. Mona listen to waiting that my brother come dey talk. Mona just listen, then Mona help me beg my Edo brothers, may they stop the killing. I will be back. Please do bear with me.
Where we are the dealer, not the Yoko, stroke, Asuru. Now, where we are the dealer, not the Yoko. All the house me with the steel. They rob everybody for the house, they drop it for the house, they scatter the house, they bomb or to bomb everything. Go to Baba, go to Shingru, say, hey, you take over Baba, we talk now. Where we are there now, it's at all the time my brother, now my brother, put units on this at all the time we had put. Ask me. I asked me, I'm be Junior Lazarus, not consider like this now, it's my daughter Rapao, man, don't take right with somehow. Man, because it's my 300 because that's back and later. Man, don't take right with somehow. We don't shocking now. I'm happy, we don't know. Man, don't take what Barudo, what you want to know. I asked me.
So, my brothers, my Edo brothers, I beg una with bleeding hearts, I beg una with the head of all the mothers in Edo State. I beg una with all the head of the fathers for Edo State. Make we all come together to say enough of all this killing. I beg you. Make we stop them. I beg you. this how I no fit understand why my brothers go dey kill themselves, dey protect people wey make them dey vex in the first place. How graduates go dey protect somebody wey no pass law to take give you job? How graduates go hold his certificate for inside wardrobe, under bed, for file? They look his certificate every day. They protect people wey no wan provide job for us. Make everybody just stay happy. Make everybody just stay stop these hates. My Edo brothers, I beg you to please understand. No take am personal. Just see me like your sister wey don tire to dey lose brothers for Edo State. Feel for our mother, I beg you. I beg you. Wala wo wo. Wala wo wo. The killing too much. Make we abeg. No feel for all these mothers. At the end of the day, una brother wey una kill, na good una do am. Una think am, una reason am, una put am into consideration. Una kill am comot for that darkness. Una comot am from the suffering of Edo State. Una comot am from the joblessness for Edo State, but una leave the mother with heavy pain wey person no fit explain. Una leave the father with this pain wey no fit come word just come explain. The person no fit explain. Oh God, you no fit just explain how e be when you lost somebody. I beg you. The mother no do you anything. The father not do you anything. You killing your own brother, just get am for mind say na the mama you punish. Get am for mind say na the sisters you punish. Get am for mind say na the brothers you punish. I beg you, my Edo brothers. I beg you to stop all these killings. When election come like this, everybody they carry gun up and down. They shoot your own brother where they suffer because one politician join your group. One politician give you money, may take go kill your own brother where he not provide job for. More will still sit down, more will rethink, more will think what we they do to ourselves, whether it's good. Why we not come together as all this courtism together, different color come together, more pursue the S-men where they are those states? Why we not all this power we will get, all this harm we will get for inside our room? Why we not just use them to go face all these S-men to drive them come up for Edo land? Why it be say the politicians go make us they fight ourselves like this, my Edo brothers? Why? Make we abeg. Make we abeg, my brothers. Make we abeg. The pain too much. E get one when I see one woman lose 2 sons for one day. The woman automatically went deaf and dumb. She know they talk again. She know they hear again. She know that is the shock was too much. I beg you, my Edo brothers and sisters, make all of us come together to just stop these hates. Make we abeg. Make we abeg. Make we stop am. How we go say, how we go with straight face, they protect people, politicians, wey make us get this, wey make all of us dey vex like this. Why we go dey protect them? Make we abeg. Our mama dey cry. Make we abeg. Our papa dey cry. Our sisters dey cry. The pain too much. It gets another one when I watch again. This woman, the visa of this boy don't come out. Now just a week remain, make him come out. They kill the poor boy. They kill the boy. Why we go they kill ourselves? War, they go say war day. Which war? Who will they fight with? Will they fight with our Edo? Will they fight with ourselves? S-men, they will not fight them. Which war? Why people will make us hate ourselves like this? Why we not just stop this slavery? This one is slavery. Why somebody go give you order to go kiss somebody? Some of our brothers not go want to do this thing, but because the order come from the top person, from the orga, they go carry out the action. I beg you, my brothers. Many of una way don't tire. Many of una way know say this thing don't need to stop. Make all of una, make una rebel. Make una organize. Make una call una self together to tell these tough, big ones where they inside say make they beg, make they pity for our mama. Make we beg. make we abeg. Pikin, if person lost pikin, e pain pass gunshots. Omoga wo won ba lo so po sisi. Wala wo we do no women. Make we abeg. Make we abeg. This pain too much for our mama, too much for our papa. The blood for the land too much. Children no need to dey see dead body every day for streets if they go school. Make we abeg. All these politicians don't brainwash all my brothers. Anything where we just see, anything where they do na kpata I die. No, you get somebody where you want help. I beg you. I beg you. I beg you, move stop to live in all this fear. Make we join hands together to just say enough. I beg una. Our great king Oba Ey II Oba Atokpe put law. None of us they respect the law. None of us, I beg you, and as we know the respect and this course where our papa put, they go to the full generation. Make we abeg, make we respect our land, make we respect our great king, make we stop this thing. I beg you all in the name of God. I beg you in the name of our ancestors. Make we stop and make we carry this anger. Take face Esme. Make we scatter the Esme. Make Edo State be one of the states where be say terrorists no fit enter. They go know say people wey dey our land, our brothers no dey gree those nonsense. But why would they use until they kill ourselves? Why would they use until they punish ourselves? Make we abeg. Make we abeg. I beg una. I beg una. Make una remove this pain from our mother. Like this woman now, we no dey talk again. We no dey. Oh God, make una beg. Some of our mother don't go blind because of hot tears where they come out for their eyes. Make una reason and say that's our brother. Wanna key with gun, with poison, with anything wanna take feast, wanna want to come out for this life. Make una get them for back of una mind. That person wanna kill una doing good. Not just the innocent mother and father, siblings wanna put for this terrible pain. Make we abeg. Make we abeg. Make we stop am. Make we stop am. I beg you. I beg you. The killings in Edo State is too rampant. It's too much. Wetin we dey fight for? Person match you for party reach to keep person put. Person talk to you anyhow. Why you not sort am out with una be guys? Make una sort out issue without shooting each other, without killing each other. Make una beg. Make una see reasons with me. Papa, mama, auntie, brother. Make una beg. Make una beg. I come here come beg una. I come here come tell una say e don't do. I come here come tell una say una see reasons with me. I beg you. E get one for my area that time. This brother too nice. This brother too simple. They say what they time. They just come meet am for a wife store. Other round come out for a wife present. They shoot am strange close range for where a wife. The wife begin come they push the husband. I go inside. They beg the husband. Only I beg not die. Only I beg not leave me. Only I beg. See, that is when the woman they tell me. She dey cry, she no fit explain, she no fit talk again. Now so tears she dey cry. I can't go reason say if fiancé fit just be like this, if companion person where they live together, if he feel this pain like this, what of the mama we carry am for 9 months? My brothers, make una beg. To carry pikin for 9 months, some carry for 12 months, e no easy. E no easy. Some women lose their life when they give birth to this pikin. Reason now, sometimes if you go toilets, you want sheets. All those dry sheets where they come out, sometimes you go come out, you know, go fit take the pain. No, say as that pain be, to carry pikin now, that one as small if pikin they move for person belle, not to talk of when they want to deliver the pikin. I beg you, all the suffering will just go like that. My Edo brothers, make we rethink. My brothers, my Edo brothers, my Bini brothers, my women, I beg una, my Edo women, make una beg. Make una beg. make all of us cry out, more beg our husband, more beg our boyfriend, more beg all of them, make they beg, make they stop the killing for Edo State because of our mother, because of us. Make we beg, make we try. They tell our husband, our boyfriend, our partner, may they just follow us enter ward, may they follow us enter delivery room, may they just see the way we take the push, may they just see the way it be when we dey push. If we dey push, they go still dey help us dey push, because they go feel them, they go understand them. It go just be like, if you dey drive motor and the person where they drive the motor, they drive rough, you will sit down for passenger seats, you go dey help on the clutch. Not be you dey drive on, you go dey help on the clutch. Now so it be woman one born. Let your husband, let your partner, let your boyfriend, let your fiancé dey with you for labor room. Maybe, just maybe, if they carry gun, they want shoot another woman pikin, they'll go remember when you did labor ward. They'll go remember their pikin. I beg you, my women, make we help, make we beg. Now only we will fit talk to our husband. Now only we will fit beg our husband. Make they just look their children for face. Make they know, say, this thing where they do so, fit happen to their own pikin tomorrow. I not pray for bad thing, but now waiting they happen. People where they die, now not be person born them, my sisters. Make we beg, make we beg. Now we, the women, now carry these men for belle. Now we they marry them. Make we talk to them. Make we put our knee for ground. Make we naked. Make we kneel down beg them. Make they beg. Make they leave our children for us. My beautiful, my handsome Edo men. Muna not take am personal, make una beg. Make una reason now. Una kill all Edo brothers finish. Una kill na own brother finish. Who na want to do brother now? Na herdsmen? Na herdsmen na want to do brother? Just imagine now, say all the Edo brothers don't finish. Then now come they put herdsmen for the confraternity. If una put the herdsmen for the courts, if una put herdsmen for courts, you know see say don't finish. You know see say we don't sell our fatherland. You know see say we don't sell our motherland. At the end, if it be like that, una no go fit carry gun, una shoot una own person. Because una don't chop the same witch, una don't be the same person, una don't be the same blood, una don't take the same oaths. Herdsmen go just come, just flush all the Edo people finish. After all, we never get men again. We not get men again. Our men don't finish. I beg my brothers, make una beg. My Ubini people, my prince, my gallant brothers, my gallant fathers, my gallant. Oh God, make una beg, make una beg. Fulani herdsmen now come dey rule us for our own land again. If we kill all the citizens finish, if we carry gun face each other, kill ourselves finish. Make we beg, make we beg, make we say no to this killing, so that we'll fit fight real war when real war come in those states. If real war come now, where our youth will want fight for us? Where our brave brothers? Where go say nothing they happen, they're ready to protect their women, they're ready to protect their children, they're ready to protect their mothers, they're ready to protect their home, they're ready to protect their land. We kill them finish for school, we kill them finish for streets. War go you come meet us like you come scatter all of us. Make we beg, make we rethink. I beg all of una. I beg all of una. Real war now with the herdsmen. If Boko Haram just carry war enter Benin us now, how we want do? Or una start to dey put Boko Haram for the courts. Una no go fit kill una own brother, because automatically don't be una brother. Una come dey see una brother, una own blood brother, Edo brother as outsider. I beg you, now what the politicians want? They want to turn us against ourselves, my brothers. Make una beg. Lala wo. Iyun yomo ya fe no iro tag mo na ye mi vie do men wala ho. Iyun iye oh God. Wala wo. Wala iyave ni ka o ya fe. Iye ni ka o ya fe. Iyave rima ya fe. Ave rima no eri genya do ya fe. Iye mi wanu wala wo. No wala wo na ya gwalo ya oni magbele gbi ma wa. Ni ame na mokobu ma di o wa. Ni ame na wa gbi ma wa fe. wala ho wala wo wala ho while mukuna dey follow na wife dey go labor mukuna no I be atuna no as if una sit down for motor if person dey drive rough if una sabi drive una sit down for the passenger seats as una take dey clutch the turtle na so una take clutch na so una go dey help una wife dey push then if una see another woman pikin una fit just let am be. Make we abeg make we fire all these politicians. They no even suppose dey game una no even suppose put them na they dey spoil the country now. Okay, just like the Esme wey dey talk just now, if Esme join the courts, if Esme join different color, you know say we don finish. Now so these politicians dey do am, they go join different group, they go join different color so that make the fit use us take kill ourselves. Those kind people wey corrupt no suppose dey where people with good intention dey. Make una beg una no dey let make una no let all these politicians dey use us again. I beg una my brothers, make we see the pain wey dey cause to our mother, make see the pain wey dey live with our mother take go carry go grave. The pain too much, make una beg. Omoga wo my brother, ọmọ bá lọ sọsísí ọba lọ necessity explain no ọba lọ nuhia tita mo wa be no feel here no wala wo wala ho. Make una beg my elders, make una beg make we stop all these things. I dey watch one program one day for YouTube. I don't want to mention name. Somebody call in the program, say he dey regret wetin he do. In conscience dey judge am, say he kill his own best friend. After he don kill am, he throw am for river. Say the spirit still dey worry am. The spirit no rest, my brother. The spirit no rest. You just need to go confess to the mother. Make the mother breathe down, sincerely forgive you, then your life go better. The spirit of that your friend can rest. Maybe the mama now still they think say one day he pikin will come house. Maybe mama still they zese. Maybe mama still they pray. Maybe the mama still they think they call God, say God I beg me my pikin just come meet me. No say you don't kill him. The person where they do the program say as he don't come confess, so say God don't forgive him. Our ancestors don't forgive him. My brother na lie. Not be God you collect that pikin from. Now somebody carry that pikin for 9 months. You need to go tell the mother. You need to go apologize to the mother. You need to just confess. If possible, give yourself to the law enforcement. Maybe say you pay for what you do. For Western world for years, sometimes when all these Oyibo, as we they call them, pardon me, all these Westerners, if they commit crime and they really regret what they do, their lawyer will say, may they deny. They go say no, say that they guilty, say they won't pay for their crime. They go say they won't pay for their crime and they will go prison for it. When you go prison, you don't pay for the crime. Then you can forgive yourself and the spirit can rest. Make we beg those of una wey don't they regret, wey know say what una do no good. Make una beg, make una find other people wey see they regret. Make una rebel. Make una say enough. Make una help us repair the land. Make una help us stop the killing for Edo State. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, make all of us come together to help our mothers. Salobua. Some people they will just be one pikin where they get. One pikin and they just get. Because of somebody insults my chairman. Because somebody talk to my chairman anyhow. Because somebody criticize my chairman will be politician. You say, how dare you just give you gun? You can't go kill. Why now? Make we beg, make we stop my Edo brothers and sisters. With all due respect to all of you. Time don't reach, make we say, make peace dey Edo land. Time don't reach, make we fight for ourselves. These people where they use us, say they kill ourselves, so they don't love us. They don't love us. they don't love us at all. The pain too much, the pain too much, the pain too much. I beg you to see reason with me. I beg you not to take it personal. I beg you to just say enough. Enough, my brothers and sisters. Obalona bungbe. Esagen bungbe wotedo. Esagen bungbe. Make we are beg. 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 If they say word they turn, the girlfriend no will get rest of mind again. The mama no will get rest of mind again. They go what will set for Ring Road. They'll go shoot person. They'll call somebody for Selu. Say word they for this side. They'll just carry gun come out. Person we not just even never hear say word. They just enter a bear parlor, enter bar, begin to fire people because they carry name. Don't be they cause it. Don't be they insult your chairman because they just carry name of color. Why we not use this anger what we get to pursue the evil come off our land, take pursue esme come off our land, make we beg. Obalona bungbe nijima, wayala wo. Wayala wo yun won pe won ko ya emi wa iyun won pe won ko ya emi wa wala wo wala ho make una beg, make una join our great king repair the land. I beg you. Lord don't day for years now, maybe 2 or 3 years now. Say anybody where they casting a cultist, say they will kill him. So why we still they continue this thing? Why would they take evil order from politicians? Why now? Make we beg. Make we beg. This our brother with the key now. Mona fee for that mother. We carry that pikin for 9 months. Sometimes some go use operation take born. The doctors not go still shine well. Up go heal, inside no go heal. He go come give them another infection. That kind of woman will feel that kind of pain. Then now you can kill that pikin. You don't get anything to show for that pain where she receive. On that man here do wayala wo. Iyun be won ko ya emi wa iyun ya no rote do ni ya fefe ya emi wa no wala wo. Muna see reason with me. Muna see reason with me. Make we just say enough. Make we say I beg. Make we just call our chairmen, make we call our politicians to order, make we fire them. I believe say this courtism not to fight the politicians, not to fight the people we not make us they okay, not be to take fight ourselves, not be to take kill our brothers, not be to take kill our children. Wala wala omaizi na momo with 9 months if you do no woman. It no easy. Omaizi wala wo muna beg. Na beg I come beg una, I beg una. Muna stop the war. I beg you. You still get one why come they wash, why come they confess say na the person where they give them harm. Person where give am harm na daughter. A old daughter, make una beg. Make una you take this war, go meet X-Men. You know if you fight your own person. You know if you kill your own youth, your own brother where they suffer because of name, because of color. This person not do you anything because he just no say carry name. Wala wo wala you do no woman wala wo. I beg una, my heart is really bleeding. My heart they bleed, my two brothers and sisters. Make una beg. Wala wo wala ho. Wala wo wagima gwoba ma dole doniji wagima ye di mani ya hin webo wala wo make una beg make una stop this killing. Not kill your own brother again because he take your girlfriend. Not kill your own brother again because he talk to you anyhow. Not kill your own brother again because you just feel say it to the form. Not kill your own brother again because you dey protect one politician wey make you there for that position, wey make you dey vex. Once you don't take person life, your life can never be the same again. It can never be the same again. Wetin make you don't take person life? Your life no fit be the same again. Wala wo wala ho me na beg. Some of this my brother, not be their intention to go join. Some they kidnap this our brother, go put them for waiting they no want. Some don't lose their life when they put them for the courts when they want initiate them. Some go lose their life because they don't fit take the beating where they give them. Our parents go see they pray, they fast, they do sacrifice. As they say ya fe no vinya degbe wadio wa no knowing say inya better over here ne, not knowing say over here wu ne wala wo wa ton mani ho wa ton jima wala wo yun jima ya fe no rota gbona ya fe iya emi wa ni bi edo wala ho iyun ijima ya fe ni regu. I use all the queen mother hair to beg all my Edo youths, all my Edo brother, make una beg. Wala wo, wala ho, imia do imia, wala wo, wala ho. I beg una, make una stop, I beg you. Wala wo, wala ho. When you don't tire, my brother, you really see say this thing not good and you don't fed up. I beg, be bold enough to talk, bold enough to speak up. Because at the end of the day, if you dey fear because of the oath where you take, brother, if you dey fear because of the oath where you take, sister, say they go kill you. When you kill somebody, say maybe they send you errand, you kill somebody. If police catch you, they go still kill you. Why you not just be that hero? Why you not just be that change? Why you not just speak out? May you see say many people still they will join you. Just now somebody will want start something. Now people they find when somebody speak out, you can see say people they will don't fed up. Who want start something now that they look for. I beg you, my brothers. I beg you, my papa. I beg you, my uncles. I beg all of una. Make una speak out. For Italy, yeah, get one boy where he jump enter a train. Where they not give. He go seek for asylum. They not grant and they give a negative, and he tell them say na courtesan. He tell them say na courtesan they pursue and they go for house, which now my brother from Edo States, he said na courtesan because of many lies where some of our brothers and sisters they talk, where they don't see say na lie that they talk, they not grant am. As they come back say they not grant am, he jump enter a train where they come, train kill am. Who know if to say that my brother gets mind instead of to kill himself, he just speak out. He come social media talk say see why you want come out, explain, give people mind to join her, speak up. Another rebel come dey. Maybe the Italian government will come give am documents, go know say yes, say na true na they talk, but he not reason, he not take am where he take his life by himself. Who know wetin he do for house wey make am the fear to go house back. Make all of us abeg, make we be the change we want. I beg all of una, wala wo we do no woman, wala wo. I beg una, anybody wey kiss somebody, not be only you that cause where our great king puts go worry na the full family, the full generation. Wala wo. Emi no mama okma eva wa ge yun kyo e. Emi no mama okma eva wa ge lele, wa ge sen lele a generation. Wala wo. Make una beg, make una be the change we una want. Make una blow alarm, make una beg. Wala wo. Omoma izi na mu. The woman wey just lost her pikin, she know they talk again. Me vayana wa gbe dokpa. How we say me that woman take cry. Also make it also abuse me way. Also the woman the shock make her not talk again. She turned deaf and dumb. She just did there. No they talk, but she dey see people. Gwan wala wo wala ho ibiedo wala wo. Na ya momo to carry pikin no easy o. Amazing. If we saw here beer in valley egbe no money me na la a week ye can say wayala wo wala ho magine youth we not get youth again. We will take they kill ourselves because of person match me for party, because of you talk to my godfather anyhow for things where not make sense. With respect to all of una, wayala wo muna see reason with me. Muna see reason with me, wala wo. We dey kill all our brothers like this. How unwa marry our sisters? Unwa marry our sisters. We dey say make man marry one wife. Man be 50 there now. Unwa come marry the women we be wan marry them. Wala wo. Make we stop this killing. Make we stop this killing. You wait, oh God. What go they be? You go see cultists, you go see our brothers, they talk, say, scores na 5, 10, 40, 50. Human being now with the count like this, woman picking, our mama children, our brothers. Wayala wo. Wala ho. Na beg, I come beg. I beg all of una to see reason with me, not to take this message personal, just to see, say, I don't tire to they lose brothers. I don't tire to they see our sisters, they fight for one man. I don't tire. Wala wo. They go they kill. Our sister go they pray for inside house. So make their husband just come back from work. Make their guy come back from work. Make he come back from hustling. They go just they pray. Make them not hear bad news. Mama no go sleep. If you see some mama now ya look bobo from bobo to bobo. Waya la wo watonjima wala ho. Watonjima. Make una beg. Make we say enough of all this killing in those states. Make we say enough. Make we be the change what we want. I beg you. I beg all of una. In the name of our ancestors, in the name of God, wayala wo wala ho watonjima. Mona look our mama for face, mo kuna say enough of all this pain what they cause them. Mo look our papa for face, mo say enough of all this pain what they cause them. Mo look our sisters for face, mo say enough of all this pain what they cause them. Mo look our brothers for face, mo say enough of all this pain what they cause them. Make we beg wayala wo wayala wo wala ho. Mona take this fight to X-Men. Maybe say a war between Edo indigenes. All of us now one. Maybe say we take this fight to X-Men. Say X-Men, no fear not to go let them say that they come Edo State again. I they see the gun where they see for our brother's hand. Those guns, I don't believe say some X-Men get some. Wayala wo. Mona join together. Mona join together to stop corruption, not be to the back people where they corrupt the land, they fight poor people like una. Make una beg. I come with peace. I just want peace to reign. I just want us to love each other. I just want una to make our mama happy. The pain of balog ben wala wo wala ho. Omoga wo mame oba lo se ukpo sisi. Ohamagu me yo ba mwenye o. Ebibio Dani menovyo giso idani yo Ohamagu me yo ba mwenye omoriri Dani menovyo giso Ohamagu me yo ba mwenye nye moriri Memo sisi tekiariani Ovije igibege inabe mosisi yoto omodame Imwagbada ihiariami Ovije igibege inabe mosisi yoto omodame Omo nabie moriri o seme Omo gawo mame oba lo se ukpo sisi Wayala wo wala ho. I hope you receive my message with peace. I hope you receive my message with love. I hope you just see reason with me. I just hope you sit down and meditate and see. Say, that's my brother where you key. You do am good. Say, now our mama, una the hurts. Now our mama, una they give this pain. Now our papa, una they punish. Not be that person. Because at the end of the day, you still there for this wicked world. After you don't kill and finish, you see they go house without light. You see they go house. You see they go house without food for belly. You see they go house without hope for tomorrow. That's my brother. No go fit. You know they think all those once again. And not forget when you kiss somebody, when he did the spirit world, he don't senior you for there. and you go give account to am why you kill am. Maybe the person no even know wetin dey happen, you no know say war dey am. You no know say war dey am. To me personally, I no believe say God now wan judge us on the last day. I believe say na somebody wey will take his life, who will not give life, who will take his life from am. Na that person we go give account to that very day. Make you abeg reason am, my brother. Just meditate on am. Just think about it, my brother. Just think about you wey still dey this wicked world. Just think about you wey no fit give your family food. Just think about you wey dey live in fear now. I beg you to see reason with me. I beg you not to take it personal. If this my video offend you, my lovely brother, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Not be intentional. I don't want to bring that beast commerce in you. I just want you to feel for my mama. I just want you to feel for my sister mama. I just want you to feel for my brother mama. Say, to carry pikin for 9 months in my easy. E soro no your pressure bie. E soro na valo egbomo keladian. E soro no give fashion na domo no bie. O money na wa do mi ho ni e. O ma gba ni ami no gba wala wo wala ho. I hope you receive my message with peace. This is Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Till I come your way next time. Remain blessed. Peace. Love you. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. If this is your first time of passing by, you're welcome. Click the bell button to get notification whenever I upload video. I love you in the name of love. I love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till I come your way next time.